Hello everyone, welcome to the new video of your English grammar of the book Pebbles of Grammar by Galaxy Publications. That is chapter number 5, Nouns, Number. Now number means Sankhya, it is the count. Today we will study about nouns and that is countable nouns. A noun may be singular or plural depending on its number. एक नाउन जो है या तो वो सिंगुलर हो सकता है या वो प्लूरल हो सकता है, डिपेंड करता है उसकी क्वांटिटी पे, उसकी नंबर पर. अ सिंगुलर नाउन रेफर्स टू वन पर्सन, एनिमल, प्लेस और थिंग. एक सिंगुलर नाउन का क्या मतलब होता है? इसका मतलब होता है कि कोई भी पर्सन, एनिमल या थिंग कितने हैं, दे आर वन इन नंबर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, गर्ल, cat, lion, house, spoon and chair. So these all are singular nouns. A plural noun refers to more than one person, animal, place or thing. तो plural noun का मतलब क्या होता है कि कोई भी person, place, animal या thing one से ज़्यादा है, they are more than one. For example, girls, cats, lions, houses, spoons and chairs. So there are two kinds of nouns on depending on the number. The first one is singular noun and the second one is a plural noun. Now let's move further. If we look into the table here, they have given you certain kinds of nouns, singular and plural nouns, and they are telling you what is to be added to it to make a singular noun into a plural noun. Let's read it. The first box says we add s to some singular nouns. Now this means कि हम कुछ singular nouns के पीछे s add करते हैं. हम क्या जोड़ते हैं? s. To change them to their plural form, ताकि हम उन्हें उनकी plural form में change कर सकें. Now let's read the table. Boy, boy जो है एक singular noun है और ये प्लूरल में जब चेंज होता है तो इसके एंड में s लग जाता है, तो ये बन गया बॉयज. द नेक्स्ट chair, chair. When we add s to it, it changes into chairs. flower, flower, and the plural of flower is flowers. Again they are adding an s to the last of this word. Girl, girls, tiger, tigers, animal, animals, dog, dogs, bowl, bowls, horse, horses. So these all are the plural forms of this respective singular words. Now let's move to the other table. What does this table says? We add es. हम क्या add करते हैं? Es to singular nouns that end in s, sh, ch, double s or x to change them to plural form. Now this table says that जब आप singular nouns को जिनमें s, sh, ch, double s या x end में हो, जैसे कि ये, तो इनको plural में convert करने के लिए we will add es to it. For example, in the table the first word is bus, bus. It is ending with s. Therefore, if we have to convert it into a plural number, हम इसके आगे add करेंगे es और ये बन जाएगा buses. Similarly, glass es बन गया glasses. class, class, es हो जाएगा classes. dish, dish, dishes, dishes. fox, fox, foxes, foxes. gas, gas, gases, gases. bench, bench, benches, benches. brush, brush, brushes, brushes. box, box, boxes, boxes. So this is all about this table. Let's move further. In the next table we see they are saying we add s to singular nouns that end in o. Now there are certain nouns which are ending with o. तो जो एंड ओ से होते हैं उनके आगे हम क्या ऐड कर देते हैं, एस। However, some singular nouns that end in o take es to change to plural form. कुछ और ऐसे सिंगुलर नाउन वाले वर्ड्स होते हैं जो एंड ओ से होते हैं और प्लूरल में कन्वर्ट होने के लिए उनके आगे es लग जाता है। ओके, नाउ लेट्स रीड द टेबल। रेडियो, रेडियोज, ज़ीरो, ज़ीरोज, हीरो, हीरोज, पियानो, पियानोज, photo, photos, mango, mangoes. So this was it about the table. Let's read the other line. Some nouns end in a consonant plus y. इस चीज़ का मतलब है कुछ नाउन्स ऐसे होते हैं जिनके एंड में कॉन्सोनेंट होता है और साथ में y लिखा होता है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू कैन सी इन द नेक्स्ट पेज दैट इट इज़ रिटन ओवर हेयर बेबी। बेबी में बी है कॉन्सोनेंट और उसके साथ वाई एड ऑन है। तो ऐसे केसेस में हम क्या करेंगे, वी ड्रॉप द वाई यानी कि वी रिमूव द वाई एंड ऐड IES टू चेंज देम टू प्लूरल फॉर्म। हम उसके वाई को रिमूव कर देते हैं और उसकी जगह हम लिखते हैं IES। सो बेबी क्या बन जाएगा, इट विल चेंज इनटू बेबीज व्हेन यू आर राइटिंग इट एज अ प्लूरल नंबर। लेडी विल चेंज इनटू लेडीज, बॉडी चेंजेस इनटू बॉडीज, curry changes into curries, story changes into stories, city changes into cities, fly, flies, fairy, fairies, and bully changes into bullies. This was all about the table. Now let's read the other table. Now in the next table they say some nouns end in a vowel plus y. Now if you look into this word they have given WAY, way. इसमें आप देखो second last word है a which is a vowel and then it is ending with y. तो ऐसे cases में क्या होगा, we add only s to change them to plural form. हम इनमें सिर्फ क्या लगा देंगे, s, ताकि हम उन्हें plural form में convert कर सकें। वे हो जाएगा ways, रे बन जाएगा rays, key changes to keys, toy will change into toys, bear will change into bears and play changes into plays. So this was it about this table. Let's move to the next table. Some nouns end in f और fe. कुछ nouns ऐसे होते हैं जिनके end में f लगा होता है या फिर fe होता है। We drop the f और fe. हम इस f या fe को remove कर देते हैं and we add VES. हम इसमें क्या add करते हैं, we add VES to it so as to change it into a plural form. Now let's read the table. LEAF, leaf, it changes into LEAVES, leaves. Half changes into halves, wife changes into wives, wolf changes into wolves, knife changes into knives, life changes into lives. So this is about the table. Now let's move to the next table. Some nouns do not follow any rule. कुछ nouns में कोई rule follow नहीं होता है. They have a completely different plural form. उनकी plural form उनके singular word से बिल्कुल different होती है, बिल्कुल changed होती है. तो let's read the table about them. Man, man का plural हो जाता है men. Woman changes into women. Mouse changes into mice. Tooth changes into teeth. Foot changes into feet. Ox changes into oxen. Child changes into children. And goose changes into geese. So this is it about the table. Now the last table here tells you that some nouns do not change in their plural form. यानी कि कुछ नाउन्स ऐसे होते हैं जो कि सिंगुलर फॉर्म में भी वैसे ही प्रोनाउंस होते हैं और उन्हें हम प्लूरल फॉर्म में भी सिमिलरली कॉल आउट करते हैं. If we read the table, you will find certain nouns like bison remains bison, furniture remains furniture, sheep remains sheep, fish remains fish, deer remains deer. So this was all about the chapter. I hope you have understood the chapter very well. Now let's move to the exercises. Let's begin with the exercise now. The first question says, change the singular nouns to their plurals. हमें इन singular nouns को उनके plurals में change करना है. The first one is fox. What is the plural of fox? Foxes. Ox. Oxes. Sheep. Sheep का हमेशा sheep ही रहता है. Monkey. Monkey changes into monkeys. You will add s to the word monkey, it will turn out to be monkeys. Then we have tomato. Tomato का हो जाएगा tomatoes. We will add es to it. And the last word is bench. It will change into benches. If we move to the other page, you will find the seventh is brush. It will change to brushes. Then we have lady, this will change to ladies. That is, you will add ies to it, you will remove y and add ies to it. Tooth will change to teeth. Zero changes to zeros. Cow changes to cows. And tadpole changes into tadpoles. You will just add s to it. So this was all about question number A. Now let's move to the next question. The next question says, fill in the blanks with the correct nouns given in the brackets. आपको ब्रैकेट्स में यहाँ नाउन दिए गए हैं और आपको सेंटेंस को रीड करके करेक्ट नाउन्स को यहाँ फिलअप्स में पुट करना है. नाउ द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, देयर आर मैनी डैश इन द पार्क. जब हम ये सेंटेंस पढ़ रहे हैं, पहले तो यहाँ आर लिखा है और मैनी वर्ड लिखा है, यानी कि दे आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द प्लूरल नाउन. व्हाट इज प्लूरल नाउन? चाइल्ड और चिल्ड्रन? ऑफ कोर्स द आंसर इज children. So you will write here children. तो सेंटेंस हमारा बन जाएगा, there are many children in the park. Second is, there are several dash in the pond. Now again if you see carefully, यहाँ several word लिखा है, यानी कि they are not talking about one noun, they are talking about many of them, more than one. तो यहाँ पे goose आएगा या geese आएगा, यहाँ पे आएगा geese, because the plural is geese. So you will put here geese as your answer. Now the next question, some dash are sitting in the park. Now R again refers to that plural number is there, and some का मतलब होता है कुछ लोग, कुछ. Now कुछ can be like अगर number more than one, तो आप यहाँ पे men लिखेंगे. The fourth one says, I have lost the bunch of my dash. Now what is a bunch of? It will be a key or many keys. Obviously the answer is keys. The fifth one, only a few dash are left in the tree. Only a few mangoes. Then the next one, the baby has grown milk dash. Now milk, tooth or teeth? Teeth. The plural will come again here, milk teeth. There are a variety of dash in the pond. You remember, fish का कुछ भी plural नहीं होता है. It remains the same. So you will write here fish. The next sentence, we get wool from dash. Now there is no plural of sheep. Sheep remains the same. So you will again write here sheep as it is. The ninth question, The twin dash are sleeping. When they are saying twin, twins means two and it means more than one, then you will write here babies. The twin babies are sleeping. The 10th sentence says a pack of dash is eating a deer. Now a pack of wolves. Pack word is actually a collective noun. It refers that it is a group of members of wolves. Okay, so there are many wolves over there. हम यहाँ लिखेंगे WOLVES. So this was all about question number B. Now let's move to question number C. The question number C says fill in the blanks with the plurals of the nouns given in the bracket. आपको यहाँ पे इन ब्लैंक्स को प्लूरल्स से फिल करना है और ये इनके सिंगुलर जो नाउन्स हैं दिए हुए हैं इन्हीं को आपको प्लूरल्स में कन्वर्ट करके लिखना है. द फर्स्ट सेंटेंस इज डिवाइड दिस एप्पल इनटू टू डैश. नाउ व्हाट विल बी द प्लूरल ऑफ हाफ? इट विल बी हाफ्स. HALVES. Then the second sentence is there are dash in the basket. Now what is the plural of fruit? The answer is fruits. The third sentence says some dash are singing folk songs. What is the plural for woman? We write women. WOMEN, women. The fourth statement says many people lost their dash in the earthquake. Now what is the plural of life? We will write lives. The fifth sentence says the school has bought 4 new dash. The plural for bus is buses. We will write here buses. The sixth sentence, dash are growing day by day. So what is the plural of city? Cities. The seventh statement, dash bray. Now what is the plural of donkey? Donkeys. We will add S to this word and it will change into a plural form. The eighth sentence says dash are protected in a deer park. Now this word deer, it remains same in the plural form. You will just write this word as it is here. Ninth sentence says a plant have many dash. एक plant में बहुत सारी leaf होती हैं. And what is the plural of leaf? The plural of leaf is leaves. The last sentence of this question, there are 3 dash in 1000. What is the plural of 0? The plural of 0 is zeros. We will write here zeros. So this was all about the question number C. Let's move to the next question. The question number D says change the underlying nouns to plural forms. हमें इन underlying nouns को plural forms में change करना है and we have to rewrite these sentences. हमें ये sentence दोबारा लिखने हैं तो आइए चलिए इनको लिखते हैं. The sparrow sat on the tree. तो what will be the plural of sparrow? It will be sparrows. तो आपको ये पूरा sentence लिखना है. The sparrows sat on the tree. The next sentence is they looked at the church. Now what is the plural of church? It will be churches. So the sentence will be written as they looked at the CHURCHES churches. Let's move to the next sentence. Here they have written over there, I put my book on the bookshelf. Now what you will change the book into? You will change it into books. I put my books on the book shelf. Now क्योंकि यहाँ पे सिर्फ बुक अंडरलाइंड है तो हमने बुक्स कन्वर्ट किया है, बुक को हमने चेंज कर दिया है बुक्स में। वैसे बुक शेल्फ को भी हम चेंज कर सकते थे, अगर ये चेंज होता, अगर ये अंडरलाइंड होता तो, और ये क्या बन जाता? बुक शेल्व्स, SHELVES. Let's move to the next sentence. The baby wanted an ice cream. You will write the babies wanted now you know ice cream का क्या होएगा, हम एन रिमूव कर देंगे क्योंकि एन इज रेफरिंग टू ओनली वन आइस क्रीम. यू विल राइट हियर ice cream, CREAMS. Next sentence, the cat played with the scarf. Here you have to change two nouns, so you will change it into the cats played with the scarves. स्कार्फ का एड रिमूव करके हम लिखेंगे SCARVES. You will remove the F. This was all about question number D. Let's move to the next question. The next question says write the singular. हमें यहाँ पे in plural form में दिए हुए words को singular form में लिखना है. The first word is houses, and what is the singular of houses? It is house. Then stories, the singular word is STORY, story. Scarves, what is the singular word? Scarf. Then again we have stories, you will write here STOREY. Now this stories means कहानियाँ, and this stories means the multiple levels of building. कई सारे माले होते हैं एक बिल्डिंग में, फर्स्ट स्टोरी, सेकेंड स्टोरी, थर्ड स्टोरी. दिस स्पेलिंग refers to that story. Then valleys will be changed into valley. Fairies will be changed into fairy. Bunnies will be changed into bunny. Rays will be changed into ray. Keys will be changed into key, and benches will be changed into bench. So this was all about question number E. Now we have completed the exercises of this chapter. I hope you have understood this chapter. We will meet in our next video with the next chapter. Thank you and take care. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you like it. Wait till the next video. Till then, take care.